Anyone else have too many zombies? Welcome back. Today we're going to create the Corpse Reviver. It's the Corpse Reviver number 2. Everyone knows that people will be looking for hangover remedies. A Corpse Reviver is one of those. It's a way to, try and give you extra pep in your step, to revive your corpse, if you will. Though this is also still a pretty dangerous drink in terms of how much you consume. I've never had this, so let's get into this. One thing, if you saw my last word episode right up here, this is a very, very similar cocktail. Need your shaker, and I'm going to take my lemon, take off the top, slice, and I need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And now I need 3/4 of an ounce of dry curacao or other orange liqueur. Want to use Cointreau? Cool. Grand Marnier? Go for it. Me? Dry curacao. And now for an ingredient that I don't think anyone's seen on the show since I made the El Presidente. Lillet Blanc. This is the Lillet Blanc. It is a Blanc style vermouth, which means it is a white vermouth sweetened in the red style. So 3/4 ounce Lillet Blanc. And now 3/4 of an ounce of London Dry Gin. This is Tanqueray, as always. Beefeater, Fords, pick a London Dry that you like. That's fine. Piece of ice. Got your cocktail. Shake. Standing. Now I'm going to let that sit. I'm going to move that there. Grab a Nicanor and grab absinthe. And I'm going to do a rinse of absinthe. And when I say a rinse of absinthe, I'm going to pour in not even a bar spoon. And I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to rinse the glass. Similar to how you would rinse a glass when you're doing a Sazerac. As good as I can get it. I like that. Grabbing Hawthorne. And again, I'm going to double strain for clarity. And strain. Corpse Reviver number 2. Cheers. Vermouth didn't take over. There's still a little bit of the herbaceousness there. Still the herbaceousness a little bit from the vermouth. The absinthe, it's there. It's more of a season rather than an ingredient. It's kind of like a little bit of salt on top of a meal when you finish cooking it. That's what this adds. The lemon juice, the gin, the dry curacao. It works well. It's a little dry for my taste personally. This is a cocktail I don't see really anything wrong with in terms of my palate, and I don't think others disagree. This is a fine cocktail. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share this video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check down below. They are Amazon affiliate links. With it being near the holiday season, it's a good idea to, see what you may want, or if you're watching for someone who may also enjoy making cocktails, head down there, get some Christmas gift ideas. If you want to look at my socials, they are right here. I try to be on YouTube Saturday nights, 8 p.m. Don't always make it, freely admit. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. And this has been The Beginner's Bar.